Welcome to this tutorial on Cash App Bitcoin Roundups Explained, a comprehensive guide to understanding how to invest in Bitcoin using Cash App. Cash App is a popular mobile payment service that allows users to send and receive money, and also invest in stocks and Bitcoin. One of the features that makes Cash App stand out is its Bitcoin Roundups feature, which allows users to invest their spare change in Bitcoin. To get started with Bitcoin Roundups, you need to have a Cash App account and enable the feature in the app. Once you have enabled Bitcoin Roundups, Cash App will round up every purchase you make to the nearest dollar and invest the spare change in Bitcoin. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.50, Cash App will round up the purchase to $4 and invest the $0.50 in Bitcoin. The key concept behind Bitcoin Roundups is dollar cost averaging, which is an investment strategy that involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market price. By investing your spare change in Bitcoin regularly, you can reduce the impact of market volatility and avoid trying to time the market. To use Bitcoin Roundups effectively, you need to make sure you have a solid understanding of how it works and how it fits into your overall investment strategy. One best practice is to set a budget for your Bitcoin investments and stick to it. You should also make sure you have a long-term perspective and are not investing more than you can afford to lose. In addition to Bitcoin Roundups, Cash App also offers other features that can help you invest in Bitcoin, such as the ability to buy and sell Bitcoin directly in the app. You can also use Cash App to transfer your Bitcoin to an external wallet or exchange. In conclusion, Cash App Bitcoin Roundups is a simple and effective way to invest in Bitcoin using your spare change. By enabling Bitcoin Roundups and setting a budget, you can start investing in Bitcoin today and take advantage of the potential long-term growth of the cryptocurrency market.